the future of pool care with Blue Nexus, where effortless cleaning meets the demand for more leisure and less labor. Welcome back to your place for the latest tech review and concept render. This is Enoylity technology. And before going ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. This is the Blue Nexus Pool Cleaner. Blue Nexus is the cutting-edge cordless pool cleaner that scales your pool walls intelligently, utilizing state-of-the-art path planning technology to ensure comprehensive cleaning from wall to wall, covering every inch of your pool, be it the walls, floor, waterline, or any spot in between. So, along with the robot body, you get a communication buoy, waterproof cap, charging adapter and power cord, salvage hook, and user manual. Blue Nexus boasts Geo Guru, our exclusive 3D pool mapping and navigation system that guarantees pinpoint accuracy. This technology includes in-house developed underwater ultrasonic and infrared laser integrated ranging sensors, along with an underwater SLAM algorithm. Here on the body, we have ultrasonic and infrared sensors, control buttons which have power button, mode selection button, and time frequency button. Talking about the mode, we have 4 cleaning modes: wall cleaning mode, floor cleaning mode, all-round cleaning mode, and 2 types of smart cleaning mode. First is a Geo Guru technology which uses a spiral route for cleaning, and second, the robot will follow a S-shaped path for a set time. Blue Nexus features a robust 100-watt high-performance suction motor, delivering formidable suction power and an impressive absorption rate of up to 17 meters cubed per hour. With this exceptional suction capability, it ensures a comprehensive cleaning experience by efficiently gathering debris and dirt, even fallen leaves. The robot also has a filter basket, which has a capacity of 4.5 liters of capacity. Cleaning it is also simple and easy. Take the filter basket out, spray with water, and done. Always use the salvage hook to take the cleaner out of the pool after cleaning is done. Never pull it using the communication cable as it will damage it. Talking about the charging, this will take around 3.5 hours to charge fully and give you a usage time of 3.5 hours. You can also control this using an app available on Android and iOS. You can connect to your robot anytime, anywhere. You can even activate settings and controls such as cleaning mode, viewing cleaning map, viewing real-time cleaning path, and other special features. Experience the future of pool maintenance with Sue Blue's Blue Nexus, incorporating cutting-edge cordless technology, exclusive 3D mapping capabilities, and a powerful 165-watt motor. It ensures a pristine pool in no time at all. That's everything about the So Blue Pool Cleaner. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do like this, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity technology, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.